Your doctor prescribed Ozempic for weight loss, but now you're laying awake at 3 a.m. with your heart racing, panic attacks that never existed before. Is this a coincidence? Or is your weight loss drug sabotaging your mental health during the most vulnerable time of your life? Hi, I'm Dr. M, an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle medicine physician. I have a lot of patients on GLP-1 receptor agonists like Ozempic. Many of them have benefited immensely: weight loss and improved blood sugar control. Last month, however, 3 of my perimenopausal patients came to me with the same story. They started Ozempic, lost weight, but developed crushing anxiety for the first time in their lives. Jackie, 48, told me, "I thought I was losing my mind. The weight was melting off, but I couldn't sleep. Couldn't think straight. My anxiety was through the roof." This isn't rare, and I'll tell you exactly why this happens in just a minute. First, let's talk about what Ozempic actually does to your brain. Ozempic slows gastric emptying. That means food sits in your stomach longer. Your gut bacteria, the same bacteria that produce mood-regulating neurotransmitters, suddenly face a completely different environment. Think of your gut like a garden. Ozempic just changed the watering schedule. Some plants thrive, others wither. So the delicate ecosystem that supports your mental health is scrambling to adapt. But there's more. Studies report that adults on GLP-1s have a significantly higher risk of psychiatric outcomes, such as anxiety, depression, and suicidal behavior, compared to non-users. Women in general, and especially those with obesity, show higher risks for psychiatric outcomes when using GLP-1 receptor agonists. And why is this? Well, your estrogen is already declining, and estrogen protects your brain, including your GABA receptors, your natural calm switch. Remove that protection, then add a medication that disrupts your gut-brain axis, and that is likely to affect your mental health. Now, I want to make it clear that this is not the case for everyone. Most people do not have any mental health effects, but for the few who do, it can be pretty distressing. Your brain during perimenopause is like a smartphone with a dying battery. It's working overtime to maintain basic functions with less and less power. This means that certain medications, such as GLP-1 receptor agonists, can cause it to drain faster. But here's what I want you to understand. This doesn't mean Ozempic is a bad medication. It means you need to protect your mental health while using it. And if you're struggling with both weight gain and anxiety during perimenopause, I've created a free guide that shows you how to support both your metabolism and mental health naturally. You can download it using the link in the description below. Now, let me tell you about the hidden danger I mentioned. It's avoiding the real root causes of perimenopausal weight gain: insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction. You lose weight on the scale, but these underlying issues keep wreaking havoc on your metabolism, mood, and energy. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken pipe. The leak might slow down, but the foundation is still crumbling. Going back to Ozempic, there is no strong evidence that it directly causes anxiety in most people, but some individuals do report anxiety as a side effect. The risk appears to be low and the connection is not fully understood. So what should you do if you're on Ozempic and experiencing new anxiety? First, don't panic. This is fixable. Start supporting your gut-brain axis immediately. Add a high-quality probiotic with multiple strains. Focus on fiber-rich foods that feed beneficial bacteria. Consider magnesium glycinate before bed. It calms both your nervous system and supports healthy gut function. Second, track your symptoms. Keep a simple journal. Rate your anxiety daily. Note sleep quality. This data helps your doctor make informed decisions about your treatment. Third, address the root causes of your metabolic health. Work with a practitioner who understands the complex relationship between hormones, metabolism, and mental health during perimenopause. Here's what I've seen work beautifully in my practice. Women who combine Ozempic with targeted gut support, stress management, and hormone-balancing nutrition often see the anxiety improve within weeks. The weight loss continues, but their mental health stabilizes. As a reminder, remember to engage in regular strength training and consume adequate protein to maintain your muscle mass. If you want to learn more about a specific supplement that can help with both muscle mass and your mental health, check out this next video.